Installing Windows 10 step by step. Step 1. Open VirtualBox. Select Media and Tools. Click Optical Disk and then Add. Add Windows 10 and open. Click Machine and select New. Name the virtual machine as Windows 10. In version, select 32-bit. The version depends on the downloaded ISO bit. Change it to 1.5 GB to avoid lag on your device. Then create. Choose virtual disk image. Choose dynamically allocated. Don't make any changes, just click create. Click settings. Go to general. Click advanced and change shared clipboard and drag and drop to bidirectional. Next, go to system. Click processor and change it to 2. Then go to storage and select empty. In optical drive, choose Windows 10 ISO and then click OK, then start machine. Do not make any changes, just click next. Click install now. Just wait for the setup. Choose Windows 10 Pro OEM, then click next. Click I accept the license terms, then click next. Choose custom. Do not make any changes, just click next. Just wait.
Choose United States, then click Yes. Do not make any changes, just click Yes. Click Skip. Just wait. Choose Setup for an organization, then click Next. The name depends on you. We choose Hey Windows. Select Accept. The installation of Windows 10 is now done.